just completely changed my whole week. I hope you guys know that. First Papis lift kit to ever come out of production at Papi's shop. Nobody else that's a retail shop has put one of these lift kits on, and this is the first one in the entire freaking country. Look at that packaging right there. God damn it. Oh. I've never been so excited for something that's not a Chevy in my entire life. I just want to know, who do y'all know that's putting accent pieces on the rear block? Nobody out here doing that. It's gonna be one of the busiest weeks that I've had in a really long time. I'm kind of excited to bring you guys along for the journey. Starting the week off, potentially have 2 Papis lift kits going on this week. One is getting dropped off today. The other one, which is the 14-inch 5th gen Ram kit, we may go pick up this week. We may get it done before OBI this weekend. Who knows? But I want to let you guys know, I've been going through it for a couple of weeks and I'm starting to get it back. It's been busier than I know what to do with, and my anxiety's been on level 10, and I'm trying to get my energy back, you know what I mean? So I went to the mall the other day and I bought this, I've been getting into the fitted hats. I only like the snapback ones though. So I got a fitted hat, and they didn't have an Atlanta hat like I wanted, so I got an LA hat because I want to go to LA this year. So I'm kind of manifesting going to LA. So stopped and got my breakfast. Let's get this bread. Y'all like the Ram content? So we got a 6-inch and some 24-inch KG1s going on this 2500 today. Really nice red color. Getting some Nittos and some KG1s. I really do like that red color. You don't want to be in the video? What you got going on over there? Look, KG1 does us a little care package. We got some of the new Josh. Shout out to Josh.
Hey, look.
I can't post. I can't put that one on there.
Yeah, you can.
Look, all I'm PUSS. That's all I'm gonna start with. We got some gray ones, and we got some black ones. Freaking fire. Shout out Josh from KG1. Let's get this bread.
Yeah, I mean, as much money as we all got KG1s on, so J1 to JT.
Ah, no JTA. I'm so excited. We have our F250 now dropped off at the shop. That's getting the Papis lift. This is our 2017 F250 getting the 6-inch Papis lift with some 24x12s and 37-inch Nittos. He's got a couple of things done to the truck already. He's got some aftermarket headlights on it. It looks like they got to be aftermarket. There's no way Ford has stepped their game up like that, putting headlights on them like that. We got the, what is it? We got the move bumper with the rigid lights in it. Super cool. Some different badges on the side. I'm pretty sure he's done some different tail lights as well. Yeah, we got some blacked out tail lights in the back. Should be a pretty sweet build. Let me show you guys the lift kit real quick that he's getting. I did a full kind of unboxing in the last video, but I'm going to show you guys the lift kit real quick.
What the fuck is these inlays, dude?
What are you talking about, bro? This is
that shit looks like
fire, bro.
That's just paper.
Fire, bro.
About, dude.
Fire. Freaking fire, bro.
That shit ain't nothing but pop metal, bro.
Oh.
Yeah.
Get out of here.
Papi's got the pop metal in it.
Look, we got the beautiful radius arms, gloss black. We got the black and milled overlay pieces. Who do you know that's putting accent pieces on the rear blocks, Leonard? Ain't nobody doing that. Nobody's putting.
But he's putting spacers on the spring.
Nah.
Where's the whole spring at, Papi?
No.
He went all in on the block and cheaped out on the other day, man.
A1. Watch when it's done. Watch.
Oh.
I want to show you guys the 5th gen Cummins that we finished up today. We did a 6-inch BDS with the Fox all the way around. We got the Fox shocks front and rear. The coolest thing about this truck and what really brought it all together, in my opinion, is the 2412 KG1 Victors, one of KG1's nicest wheels, finished off with a set of 37, 1350, 24 Nitto Ridge grapplers. Nitto's got the best off-road tires in the game. Fury, in my opinion, is definitely second best depending on the size that you're doing. Fury's got a great tire as well. But them KG1, that Victor cut is absolutely beautiful, and I'm just super happy with the way that this turned out, and I know he's gonna be excited. This is some Ram content for you guys that are always commenting, let me see more Rams. Well, here it is. I hope you guys enjoy. All right, what are we doing for lunch today?
We are fucking sliding in.
Hippins. We got the barbecue.
Here is coleslaw on a barbecue sandwich. Some people don't like that.
Ooh, got the little barbecue sandwich. Your boys got the brisket over here.
Look at you.
Mac and cheese with the coleslaw and the bread. Gotta have the bread. And it came with chips and a sweet tea. Boy, we on it today. I'm gonna give you guys an update on the Papis kit. Papis kit. Look at that. That move bumper with the rigid lights on there. Damn, that's gonna look good. So we got a 6-inch radius arm kit. We have these springs and spring spacers installed already with our shocks in the front. Nice Papis overlay. And our radius arm down here. Freaking beautiful.
Look, when I hop up here, just try not to look at it, you know?
So we got the Papis kit on the alignment rack getting finished up today. We're gonna finish up the amp steps, finish up the wheels and tires, and the customer's coming to get it tomorrow. I'm super freaking excited about that. But in the meantime, I've got a whole nother video coming for this and details going into this. But my new lift kit is here for the wide bow tie, and it's gonna look nothing, not even close to how it looks now or previously, and I couldn't be more excited. If you guys are watching this video, the first people to find out what lift kit, and I've got, there's more than just a couple boxes here. There's a lot more going on the truck this time than last time, and a lot of different colors. We just finished up the Papis lift that's gonna get pulled up to the front so we can film it in a second. You guys are always dropping comments about me showing other stuff other than Chevys and GMCs, and obviously today is a Ford day at the shop, so I wanted to show you guys the Raptor that we just finished up. Finished up this 2018 Raptor today with a 4.5-inch rough country. We did some 20x12 fuel Maverick. Such a classic wheel, but looks good on just about any vehicle you put it on. My favorite tire of all time, the 37 1250/20 Trail Grappler. Trail Grappler is hands down my favorite tire of all time, which is why I have it on my own truck. And you can't go wrong when it comes to a Raptor. It's tall, it's super wide, it's wider than just about anything else except a dually, and I freaking love them. So for my Ford fans and my Ram fans that are always telling me you need to film more Rams and Fords, here you go. You better drop a like on the video. It's such a crazy feeling to think that I was in Miami a month ago this weekend, looking at the radius arms for this truck before they got powder coated. It's just a surreal experience, and from Manny and Southern Tire, I want to thank you guys and Mr. Mike that owns the truck for allowing me to be a part of the process and kind of be a middleman between everybody involved. It's something that I've kind of dreamed about doing, and just being a part of a movement that's about to take over the industry. You guys need to stay tuned because Papis Garage has got some really cool stuff coming. They're going to be taking over some of the major shows coming up, and you guys need to tap in with Papis. You guys need to hit me up so we can get you an F250, 350, 450, any Illuma Duty kit installed on your truck right now. Oh, whoa, whoa. Scared me. Brandon scared the hell out of me when I was sitting there talking. Two things that I want to talk about. Obviously, this is Manny's first 6-inch Papis kit to ever come out of the shop to a retail store and go onto a customer's truck, which is super crazy, and I'm blessed to be here. The customer wanted an all-black lift kit originally, and we kind of not went behind his back, but we made an executive decision that we need some milled accent pieces. So when I show you guys the lift, originally it was supposed to be all black, which is kind of why we had leaned towards another company, but I said, screw it, we're gonna make this work. We're gonna do this Papis kit, you know what I mean? Customer brought the wheels, 2412 hardcores, 37 1350 24 Nitto Recon Grapplers, best tire in the absolute nation as far as all terrains go. Love Nitto to death. Fury is a very close second. Love Fury to death as well if you're going bigger sizes. That Papis 6-inch kit, there's only so many ways to make a 6-inch radius arm kit, right? You got radius arms, you got springs, you got spring space, you got dual steering stabilizers. But how do you make it look? You can make it look good? Is it still gonna ride good? How are your adjustments? These are all things that we're testing today on the first kit that's ever come out of Papis shop. I think we went back and forth about 15 times whether or not we were gonna put the XL steps on this too, because we were really worried that the XL steps having this big box on the bottom would look like trash down here, but it really didn't. I actually really like the way this turned out. So being a black truck and matte black down there kind of gives it, I don't know, just gives it a little something going down the side of the truck. 2412 hardcores. I'm not sure which hardcore wheel it is. There's a couple of different designs from like Fuel and some of the other people that this one kind of looks like, but I really do like the cut of this wheel. Had to throw on some chrome spike lug nuts with them. 37 1350 24 Recon Grapplers. He's driving back and forth to Fort Lauderdale a lot. He lives on the north side of Atlanta, so we had to get him a tire that was super quiet. Good aggressive look though. Absolutely love the Nitto Recon Grappler. I mean, obviously we're here because of the Papis kit, right? Papis got the nicest radius arm on the market to me right now. There's nothing else that you would want to put on this other than a Papis kit. Why would you have an Illuma Duty truck and not want to put a freaking Papis lift kit on here? Anybody can make a black spring, anybody can make shocks and steering stabilizers, but who's hand cutting and milling and designing and powder coating their own freaking lift kits? And you can go to their shop and see it in person if you want to make the trip to Miami. Nobody's doing that. Gotta have the Papis kit. I love the radius arm. I'll say it 100 times. I love the radius arm. I love the overlays that he's putting on these kits. They come in all colors. He can even put your freaking name on it if you want to. We'll make it happen, whatever you want to do. Steering stabilizer up front. Got the Papis name on it. Oh, steering stabilizer up front. We got Papis name on it. Gotta show love to Papi. He sent the steering stabilizer over, included with the kit. Super nice. Did come with a front drive shaft, so any of you guys that are looking to extend the kit up past 6 inches, comes with a freaking drive shaft included in that kit as well. Freaking beautiful. A lot of you guys are gonna ask, well, how was the ease of install? What major difficulties did you run into? What major problems did you run into? To be 100% honest with you, we had to take the spring spacer off the top, which is why some of the clips in the video you'll see that there's a spring spacer up here. Long story short, we had to take the spring spacer off because we wanted to keep, you know, factory. Nah, I'm not gonna say that.
Tell them the truth.
I guess it is what it is. The spring that came with the kit, I think it's got a bigger spring rate than we had kind of hoped for. So we got a little bit too big of a spring spacer on top. So what we're gonna do, a lot of companies you'll see make a kind of a flat piece that has the nameplate come off of it. We had a 2 or 3 inch spring spacer on top. Long story short, we've reordered one, and this kit will have the Papis nameplate on the side, but because of the 2 inches, we needed something that was a little bit smaller. We wanted to keep the factory spring. That's why your spring is 99% straight. I don't think any of them are gonna be exactly straight, but that's kind of why our spring looks a lot better now. And the truck sits at a cool 6 inches all the way around. It was sitting at about 8 before. So we just wanted to keep the factory angles, wanted to make the truck look good, not squat, not have to put a bigger block in the back, which, again, who's putting accent pieces on the rear block? You know what I mean? Who out here, whose truck you gonna crawl under? Whose truck you gonna crawl under on a normal 6 inch radius arm lift and they got freaking overlays on the back blocks? If you don't have overlays on the back of your blocks, get the f out of my face, bro. Only the best. That was good.
Everybody gonna eat you up though. Should have put leaf springs.
Absolutely, I'm gonna get eaten up in the comments for this one. I haven't gotten on the ground 3 times for a truck in my entire life. Oh, look at that sweet peach over here. Little Silverado action. Look, all I'm saying, if you guys have not hopped on the train of Papis Garage, get out from under the fucking rock that you're living under. Get you a set of 26s, 28s, 30s with some Furies and a 10-inch Papis kit and ride out into the sunset. Let's get this bread, baby. I don't have my big chain on today. Damn it.